All right, lesson 37 phonics. Here we go. Say clouds. Sound clouds. K, l, ow, d, z. Say scrape. Sound scrape. S, k, a, p. Say paints. Sound paints. P, a, n, t, s. Say swift. Sound swift. S, w, I, f, t. Say swept. Sound swept. S, w, e, p, t. Say swank. Sound swank. S, w, a, n, k. Excellent job. All right, we do not have any new spelling patterns today, so let us go to reviewing our sounds. Here we go. Ready? Till, dill, ah, bull, I, gull, oi, ah, ooh and you, n, e, I, ah, pull, oi, f, ow. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and read our words. Ready? Look, sound, l, n, ch. Read, lunch. Look, sound, j, oi. Read, joy. Look, sound, sh, out, id. Read, shouted. Look, sound, ing. Read, drawing. Look, sound, oil. Read, oil. Look, sound, spark. Read, spark. Look, sound, on. Read, fawn. Look, sound, I. Read, dry. Ready? Look, sound, all. Read, hall. Look, sound, please. Read, please. Look, sound, claw. Read, claw. Look, sound, lunch. Read, lunch. Sound, aunt. Read, haunt. Look, sound, joining. Read, joining. Look, sound, orc. Read, pork. Look, sound, enjoy. Read, enjoy. Look, sound, pause. Read, pauses. Look, sound, oil. Read, coil. Look, sound, read, paw. Look, sound, classes. Read, classes. Look, sound. Caused. Read caused. Look, sound. Straws. Read straws. Excellent job. Here we go. These are our syllables. Let's go ahead and snap it. Our first word is silly. Snap it. Silly. So I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and we split it between the two consonants, the two L's. Silly. All right, this word is gladly. Let's snap it. Gladly. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We would separate it between the D and the L. Ly is a suffix. Next word is football. Snap it. Football. It's a compound word, so I would split it between my two words, foot and ball, but also it's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Here we go. This word is underneath. Let's snap it. Underneath. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I separate it here. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I would separate it between the E, R, and the N. So let's see. Underneath. Excellent. 3 syllables. Here we go. The last word is expect. Let's snap it. Expect. So I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I would split it between the two consonants. All right. Let's go ahead and write our words. Number 1. Our first word is crawl. Remember, you can pause right now, write your word crawl, and when you're done, you can see if you can get it right by unpausing and seeing how to spell it. Crawl. Ah, I know an A and a W say ah, crawl. Number 2. Hunt. Pause it if you want right now and write your word hunt. Ah, in this case it's in the middle of the word, which could have been an AW, but it's an AU. Hunt. Excellent. And number 3. Number 3 is right. So I hear a R, I, and remember an I lately has been IGH, says I. Right. And our very last one, number 4. Number 4 is foil. So I hear a F. Oi, O-I, remember, is an oi in the middle of a word. Foil with an L at the end. Excellent job on phonics today.